Something historic just happened in America, and it's bigger than politics. The highest court in the country has made a decision so serious that it has never happened to a former president before. The Supreme Court has ruled that Donald Trump's business company is too dishonest to exist anymore. Not fined, not warned, shut down completely. Think of it like this. If a school finds out a student cheats once, they might get a warning. If the student cheats again, they might get punished. But if the student cheats every single time, lies to teachers, lies to parents, and keeps breaking the rules, eventually the school says, "You can't stay here anymore." That's exactly what the court said about the Trump Organization. This isn't about one mistake. This isn't about a small error. This is about years and years of lying, over and over again. For decades, Trump's company told banks, insurance companies, and the government different stories about the same buildings. When he wanted a loan, the buildings were magically worth much more. When he paid taxes, those same buildings suddenly became worth much less. One apartment was claimed to be 3 times bigger than it actually was. Property values were exaggerated 10 times higher than reality. Numbers changed depending on who was reading them. The court said this wasn't confusion. It wasn't an accident. It was planned fraud. Trump has always said he was the greatest businessman alive. He told his followers his company was the most honest, the most successful, the most powerful. And for years, he said the investigations were just politics, a witch hunt. But now something shocking has happened. The very judges Trump helped put on the Supreme Court looked at the evidence and said, "This company is rotten from the inside." They ruled that the only way to protect the public was to destroy the business completely. Every Trump-branded hotel, golf course, and deal must be sold or shut down. The company has 180 days to disappear. That, called the corporate death penalty. Trump was furious. Instead of accepting responsibility, he attacked the court. He accused the Chief Justice of betrayal. He demanded loyalty instead of law. He wanted protection, not justice. But the Supreme Court refused. They said something very important without using fancy words. No one is above the law, not even a former president. This angered Trump because this company isn't just money to him. It's his identity. It's how he built his image. It's how he convinced people he was successful. And now the courts have officially said, that image was built on lies. This isn't the first time Trump has turned on people who didn't protect him. When allies followed the law instead of obeying him, he attacked them, again and again. Loyalty to Trump only lasts until the moment you stop helping him. What made this moment even more powerful was when one of the most respected businessmen in the world finally spoke. Warren Buffett, a man known for honesty and fair dealing, broke his silence. He said this wasn't persecution. He said it was justice. He said he had never seen fraud on this scale in his entire career. That statement shook Wall Street. Even lawyers who once defended Trump admitted the truth. The evidence was overwhelming. No honest court could ignore it. This ruling changes everything. It sends a message to every rich person, every powerful leader, every big company. Money does not erase the law. If Trump had escaped consequences, it would have told the world that powerful people can cheat forever, that lying is normal, that rules only apply to regular people. But the court stopped that message. Now the country faces a bigger question than Trump himself. Do we truly believe in equal justice? Or do we believe the rich should get special treatment? This case isn't just about one man or one company. It's about whether honesty still matters, whether truth still matters, whether laws still mean something. The next few weeks will be chaotic. Trump will fight. His supporters will shout. Politicians will panic. Campaigns will spin the story every way they can. But one fact cannot be erased. A former president ran a business so dishonest that America's highest court ordered it erased from existence. History is watching, and the message is clear. In a real justice system, no one gets a free pass.